welcome to another vlog. So we're here sa pumpkin patch malapit sa place ko. It's just 8 minutes away. So I just opted to come here because this is the nearest one on my place. So hello, so ito yung schedule ng pumpkin patch. So usually at 7 p.m. close na sila. And luckily, we're able to come here 6 p.m. na ngayon. So buti na lang nakaabot pa ako because I just woke up from a nap and then I just suddenly decided to come here. And wala lang before it closed because I think parang before November may close na sila. So ito yung cart if you wanna buy pumpkins on this place. So you have to put this on the cart and carry it around. So nagbebenta sila ng mga food para sa fundraising nila guys dito sa church. So their pumpkins comes in different prices and also shapes and forms. So napaka-cute lang. Ito lang yung kaya kong i-carry kasi sobrang bigat ng pumpkin, guys. Ang cute ng mga designs nila, decors dito sa pumpkin patch, and you will feel the fall vibes talaga, which is I really like yung parang orangey kind of. So kulang na lang mag-fall yung mga leaves guys, so sobrang ganda. Sa mga nagtatanong guys kung niluluto ba yung pumpkins na to, yes guys, niluluto siya guys. Very much edible ito. As you can see guys, maraming shape and forms yung pumpkin. So here are the most common pumpkin style and shapes. So pinaka-common talaga yung pumpkin ginagamit sa Halloween movies. So yeah. Ito guys, guys. Mukha siyang starfish. Ang cute. Di ko imagine kung paano to balatan, guys. So, marami silang mga designs dito na pwede kang umupo at magpa-picture together with your loved ones. So, ayun na nga. Nahiya lang ako magpa-picture. Hehe. So, itong pumpkin yung usually ginagamit nila pag mag-carve sila during Halloween season ng mga scary na pumpkin, guys, mga ganun. So, ito talaga ginagamit. Or minsan, niluto din nila for pumpkin pies. Masarap yung pumpkin pies, guys, lalo na may cream cheese. To be honest, bibili nga ako mamaya ng isang slice. Hehe. Kinato ko talaga tinitignan ko baka may tao. Joke lang. Ito na naman tayo, katok-katok lang. Baka may pera. Char. Cute ng puting pumpkin na to. Talaga nag-iisa lang siya dito, nakatambay. Cute! So that's it guys. Sana nag-enjoy kayo sa paglibot ko sa inyo sa pumpkin patch. Sa susunod, bye!